About 2.
This is our dog Buzz.
He had 2 owners.
Buzz came to us about 2 months ago when our old dog Woody passed away.
He's big.
And Buzz is a very big dog, and he's great with the kids.
And he's so smart.
And he's so very smart. We're making a video, so don't walk past here naked. Buzz. And he's very large. He's about 110 and 115 pounds. Buzz. Yeah, he's not a very active dog. Come on. Let's go outside, Buzz. Come on, Buzz. Let's go outside.
Buzz! Come on, Buzz. Okay. Go outside now.
Go potty, Buzz. And we can trust him to walk out by the road and he doesn't try to run away. So that's very good for us because we have a large yard and we need a dog that won't wander away. But he does real well. He stays where he's supposed to. Yes, we have a very large yard for living in the city. Sit next to him.
Buzz, sit. Sit.
Sit, Buzz. Good boy.
Good boy. Like the dog here, Mom.
Good boy. Look at those teeth. Come on, big guy.
Mom.
Hey. Come on, Em. We're going inside. And that's our dog Buzz. Buzz! Buzz!